Go ahead and find a comfortable seated position. This particular class is going to be incredibly safe movements and will be an opportunity to really slow down that internal world. So whether you're coming from a very sedentary life where you're just on the computer and you're fixated in that full field vision, or you're in a maybe more high intensity movement mode where you've got to be here and there, maybe you're a parent, allowing this to be about a 20-minute opportunity for you to pause, notice, and also develop some strength, endurance, and stamina. So to get started, always an option to sit on a pillow or on a blanket or a block or bolster, just something that's going to allow you to move out of loading too much weight into your lumbar and being more open to some space. Let's go ahead and take 3 deep breaths just to begin to establish our breath, and then we'll regulate it in a little bit here. So, breathing in, deep breath in, belly, ribs, clavicle bones, and exhale, letting that go. 2 more like that. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Placing one hand on your heart and one hand on your abdomen. Feel free to close your eyes, soften your gaze, remembering this is your practice. I will be providing safe movement patterns for you to follow and to become curious within your own biomechanics. My vision is to provide sustainable, obtainable approach to movement, to yoga, where we can bypass the critical faculty of the mind and go straight into the loving awareness that your subconscious can be. Feel free to repeat after me. May this practice heal and strengthen both our bodies and our minds. May this practice heal and strengthen both our bodies and our minds. Honoring your body and your mind in any way that feels well for you. Simple forward fold can also be of service. Release the hands. Inhale, arms going out and up. Palms touch. Look up. Pressing the palms away. Pushing the palms together. Allowing the elbows to wing open as you expand your chest, expand your heart. Deep breath in. Exhale slowly, gently, just release. 2 more. Inhale. Press palms, isometric activation here, allowing the chin to be parallel. Deep breath in. And exhale, slowly, gently release, pressing the palms together. Bring the palms to graze. The third eye, honor the nose, the mind, and release, letting that go. Deep breath in. And exhale slowly, gently once more, letting that go. And as you're allowing your arms just to float wherever they may be, come to a tabletop position, spreading your fingers wide, just noticing neutral. What does that feel like? And just subtle, gentle, allowing the hips to go up and slowly gentle curl around, protract your shoulders. Inhale, flat back, and exhale, curl around, protract. Maybe going into side to side here. On your abdomen, come forward and back, releasing any weight, stress, tension, your shoulder girdle. And going from side to side, exploring the nooks and crannies of your body. Your body wants to move, it wants to feel alive. It wants to remember and press all the way up to tabletop, keeping your shoulders in line with your wrists. Tuck the toes, protract the shoulders, press up and downward facing dog. We're going to stay here for about 3 to 5 breaths. Bending into the right, look left. Letting left knee look right. Push the mat away. Gentle undulation, pulsation of your pelvis, your hips. Inhale, like a slinky roll forward. Plank pose, lean forward, lean back. Coming back to tabletop. Untuck the toes and child's pose. On the next inhale, go back, tabletop. Inhale, extend the right arm. Exhale, thread the right arm. If it's available to you, go ahead and extend the left arm up or place it right at your sacrum. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Place the hand back. Inhale, extend your right arm. Look up. And exhale, release. Inhale, extend the left. Thread it through. Stay for a breath in. And stay for a breath out. If it's available, open up. Exhale, release. It's back. Tuck the toes, protract the shoulders, really spread the fingers wide, keeping that naughty knuckle down, the index joint in with the knees. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Try not light constriction in the back of the throat in your down dog. Imagine fogging up a mirror. Inhale, lift the right, open up the right hip, little donkey kick, close the right hip. Lower the right foot, inhale, lift the left, and the right knee, open up the hip, donkey kick, close left, inhale, lift the right, this time, bringing the knee as close to the chest as possible as you're coming up onto the toes of the left side, and bring it down, lower the left knee, untuck the toe. Let's just create a few dynamic runner's lunges, inhale, and exhale. 2 more, inhale, and exhale. Coming back to tabletop, swinging from side to side, tuck the toes, press back, down dog, inhale, lift the left, bend the knees, much as needed, come up onto the right toes, place the left foot down, always an option to secret. And then untuck the toes, let's go forward and back, inhale, and exhale, inhale, and exhale, release. Coming back to a seated position. This time we're going to do a little gentle axle rotation. So go ahead and bend the left knee as if you're coming into a seated position and bring the right foot over. So it's almost like the right foot is diagonal to the left knee. Just see how this feels. Grabbing the ischium bone back,
Really pulling it from side to side here. It might flop open a little bit. You might even need a blanket or a bolster or something to support the hip. Utilizing now those right fingertips, we're going to refer to them as arches. We're going to use this as leverage to push, extend upward. Inhale and exhale, twist. Very gentle axle rotation here. Very, very soothing. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Bring your head back to center. And just for fun, if you want to use no hands, bring the opposite knee forward. Left fingertips, arches.
Inhale and exhale. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Last one. And twist. Head comes back, followed by hands. Gonna go ahead and roll all the way down to your back. Bring your knees close into your chest. Keep the chin parallel. And just allowing your hips to go in circles. Maybe allowing them to go in different directions. Seeing how this feels in your body and your biomechanics here. And maybe imagining your legs up against the wall very slowly. Maybe imagining your toes are little paintbrushes as you are utilizing your focus, diffusing it so much. Maybe place your hands on your abdomen if that feels good, or supporting your hips. Allowing them to scissor from side to side a little bit as you inhale, exhale. Very gentle core. Mm. Give yourself a big hug. Please giving love to your knees and any other parts of your body that need a little extra love in this moment, right here, right now. Oh, and one last option is to do broken bridge. Your knees tuck, your toes are slightly pigeoned. Place your hands on your abdomen. Deep breath in. So gentle, deep breath out. Go ahead and end our class today right here in this diaphragmatic breathing. So staying exactly where you're at. Place your hands on your belly. We're going to do 3 rounds of box breaths. So diaphragmatic breathing really helping activate our parasympathetic nervous system. Here we go. Inhale for 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold for 4. All counts as you breathe. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more rounds, just like that. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in fully. Exhale completely. Go ahead and bring your hands to heart center, maybe even imagining that lotus flower opening up those petals. Noticing your pinkies touch, thumbs touch, this invitation of openness, this offering of service that you're providing to yourself. As always, this is an honor and a privilege to be able to do this for you, do this for me. Feel free to repeat this after me. May this practice heal and strengthen both our bodies and our minds. May this practice heal and strengthen both our bodies and our minds. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Exhale your lotus out. Stretch, we even say yes. You did it. I'm proud of you. Until next time. Mwah.